Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how I can stop my Toyota RAV4, these headlight lamps, these washers, this windshield washers liquid work in here, because normally windshield washer is going also to Toyota RAV4's headlights, and that's we have to take front bumper away, and there are two washer pumps in this Toyota RAV4. This is first one for windshield, and this is for these headlights and headlights washer pump. And when we disconnect this cable, we take this connector away or we cut these cables, then we have situation that there is no any road for this washer fluid to our headlights. And this is important if you use and drive long area and you think, why this my washer liquid goes empty so fast.